Morning, everybody. It's Thursday, April 9th. Today's going to be a little bit shorter, mainly because been asked by administration to uphold that early dismissal today. So Thursday, April 9th, here are the directions. Explain to you what I would like you to do. And then I'm actually going to go over a little bit what next week's going to look like. So directions for today. I'd like you to still try to read for 15, 30 minutes. If you have time, find somewhere. I'd like you to complete the following task. Find someone important to you. Think about someone who's done a lot for you the past few weeks as we've transitioned into this new phase of life. It could be a parent, teacher, sibling, coach, relative, anyone but me. You're not allowed to do this for me. And I'd like you to write a thank you note to that person. Find a way to send it to them. Could be a text message, could be over Schoology. If it's a teacher, um, you could mail it if you wanted to, but I don't think you really need to do that. Or you could even just call and share it with someone if it's a family member or a friend or somebody else. Um, I don't need to see it. I don't need to know why you're thanking this person. This is for you. This is for you to do. But what I would like you to do is just share who you're going to send this message to in the discussion board. So here's just kind of a model note if you're looking for that. Dear blank, thanks for blank. And I want you to describe whatever this individual has done for you. Tell them how they made you feel when they did that for you. Remember, you're thanking them. Tell them how it's helped you as a person, and tell them why you appreciated this so much. So just kind of tackle those things. There's no length requirement to this. This is just one of those little things in life that's nice to do, nice to reflect sometimes, and thank somebody in your life. Ladies and gentlemen, next week we're going to be going into planned instruction. I do not know exactly what that's going to look like quite yet. That's what I'm going to spend. Well, I've been spending a lot of my days going over what that could potentially be for our class. Um, I don't know what it's going to be yet. I can tell you there'll be work every day. It'll be from anywhere from 15 to 40 minutes a day of work. And I'll update Schoology daily with it. There will be graded elements daily, whether that's a discussion board post, whether it's an assignment or a quiz in Schoology, it will have graded elements to it. Now, what that'll be, you'll kind of see over the course of the next few weeks what that looks like. That's something that I, along with some of my colleagues, are building right now. Some of your other teachers may have given you more detail about what that's going to look like. I apologize for my class right now. It's a little up in the air. I did give you that poll. So I might be doing a keystone-based unit based around genres and different thematic elements, or I might be continuing The Outsiders, which is a novel. Haven't decided exactly what I'm going to do or how we're going to follow through with that yet. Just want to give you guys that update. Hope you guys have a great weekend. We are not back in school, quote unquote, until Tuesday, so please keep that in mind.